Hello my dears, welcome back. Did you remember the topic that we discussed in our last class? Okay, then I will ask you a question. You have to say the correct answer. Which are the different types of soil? Say the answer. Yes, alluvial soil, sand, red soil, clay and black soil. Very good. Okay, shall we start our today's section? Today we are going to study about the topic composition of soil. We know that we cannot live without soil. That is, all the living things depend on soil for their existence, right? We already studied about the formation of soil. How soil is formed? Yes, soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks and stones. So we know that soil contains the particles of both rocks and stones, right? In order to find out the composition of the soil, first of all we have to do an experiment. For this experiment we need the things like glass, water, soil and a spoon. For doing this experiment, first we have to put some soil into the glass, then add water. After adding water, stir the water well with a spoon. After a few hours, we can see the separation of sand, that is soil, and water. Soil gets settled down at the bottom of the glass, and on the surface of the water we can see so many things, right? So this is the separation we can see in the glass. In the bottom of the glass we can see small stones, and above the small stones we can see sand, and above the sand we can see water, and on the surface of the water we can see the dirt particles, that is small leaves, small twigs, small creatures, pieces of paper, etc. So this is the experiment to identify the composition of soil. Which are the things we can see in the soil? Yes, dry crumbled leaves. Crumbled leaves means broken leaves. Then crumbled twigs. Twigs means small branches. Then pieces of paper. You have to write down the other two things that you see in the soil. Okay? Most of the particles seen on the topsoil gets decayed and it mixes with the soil and make the soil fertile. And this fertile soil is very suitable for cultivation. Okay dears, did you understand? Okay, I hope you understand the topic that we discussed on today. It's time for winding up. Thank you.